you in the club?
My gosh, you guys. I just woke up from the very best dream ever. I've got to go tell Elsa all about it. As you can see, Elsa and Olaf are taking a little nap on the couch. But I'm so excited about my dream. I have to wake them up and share it with them. Elsa. 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 Coochie, wake up. Elsa. Wow, she is really sleeping. Elsa. Here, let's just take this off. Elsa? Elsa. Ooh. Okay, Anna. I'm awake. I hope it's something important. I was taking a really good nap. Hey, where's Olaf? He was napping with me. Yeah, I noticed that and I accidentally knocked him down, so I'm just kind of trying to rock him back to sleep. Oh, he is out again. Whoa. Olaf is exhausted. Okay, Anna, well, tell me what was so important that you had to wake me up. Well, Elsa, I'm just so excited about this dream I had. It was one of those dreams that was just so real. Have you ever had one of those? Yes. Elsa? Elsa? Yoo-hoo! You're staring off into space, Elsa. What? Oh. No, Anna, I'm fine. Okay, well, tell me about this dream of yours. Okay. Oh, Elsa, it was so great. So we were at the beach, and first we just stood there and watched the ocean waves roll in. Oh, it was so beautiful. And the house that we stayed at, I mean, it was no castle or anything, but oh, there was this really nice swing underneath, and we could sit on it and swing and stare out into the ocean. That does sound nice, Anna. Was Olaf with us? Well, no, I mean, we were at the beach. Olaf would have melted for sure. But he was with me in spirit. Elsa, I was so proud of you because you were sort of adventurous. I mean, you were adventurous for you. Thanks, I guess. What did I do that was adventurous? Well, we stood kind of close to the water and looked out at it, and you didn't completely freak out. We also walked on the beach and collected seashells. Wow, I was adventurous. No, it wasn't dangerous at all. I mean, maybe a little bit. It wasn't nearly as dangerous as the trees we were climbing in. Or when I hung upside down from one. You didn't like that. You were not amused. Anna, sometimes I think you forget the importance of your role as a princess. You have to be careful. I'm pretty careful. I'm careful enough, I think. I haven't broken any bones so far. Oh, Anna. Okay, little sister, tell me what else we did. Well, the most exciting part of the entire dream was that we went and we built a huge sandcastle. and we put a moat around it, and it was an awful lot like Arendelle. I mean, you know, in a sandcastle sort of way. Huh. Yeah, that does sound fun, Anna. Tell me what else happened. Well, a huge wave came and crushed our sandcastle. Fortunately, we got out of the way just in time. Whew, sounds like a close one. Funny how dreams are like that. Oh, it was just so real, Elsa. It was so real. Well, Anna, I don't know about any beach trips in our future, but I really would love to go on another road trip. Elsa! Are you serious? That would be fantastic! When can we go? When can we go? When can we go? Okay, guys, that's all we have for today. If you would like to see Anna and Elsa go on a road trip, make sure that you like this video. And if you have any ideas for where they should go, leave us a comment. For more Disney Cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.